Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are pouring a driveway with a little front porch and one step. Pretty straightforward. It's going to be a fun job. We have plenty of access. I always love doing driveways. They're easy in and out. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for clicking on the video. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, leave us a comment. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.
Well, and that's the thing is like the dick to get a hold of, and then.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured at 7 a.m., 5-inch slump, 4,000 microfiber, number 3 fiberglass rebar. The whole works. Came out really, really nice. Check it out. Customer's really happy with it. We are too. So next week we are doing a little sidewalk and we're prepping another job for the following week. But next week will be basically a pretty simple pour, a small sidewalk. Nothing like this. There it is, guys. Ooh, look at that. Super straight joint. We actually know what we're doing, I think. There it is, guys. All right, guys, see you later. See you next week. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.